In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Peacock TV discount promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Peacock TV discount promo code. Right here, select the website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. For example, if I want to get this one with $20 off my next purchase, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use in order to get that $20 discount. Also going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this website, which is simplycodes.com. And right here, we also have some different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this $30 off discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is a discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.